Welcome to Realty Rookies, your ultimate guide to navigating the exciting world of real estate. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, we've got the tips, tricks, and insider knowledge to help you succeed in your real estate journey. Today, we're going to set the stage for understanding the process of using wholesale real estate step by step. Have you ever heard of wholesale real estate and wondered what it's all about? Well, you're in the right place. Wholesale real estate is a unique strategy in the real estate market where investors act as intermediaries, connecting motivated sellers with buyers looking for discounted properties. This concept plays a significant role in the real estate market by providing opportunities for both sellers and buyers to benefit from quick and efficient transactions. Now, let's talk about the benefits of utilizing wholesale real estate for investment purposes. By tapping into this strategy, investors can access a wide range of discounted properties, allowing them to build a diverse portfolio at a lower cost. Additionally, wholesale real estate transactions often involve minimal risk and can result in quick profits, making it an attractive option for both seasoned investors and beginners. Excited to learn more about how you can get started with wholesale real estate? Stay tuned as we walk you through a step-by-step guide to mastering this lucrative investment strategy. Get ready to take your real estate game to the next level. Understanding wholesale real estate. Let's dive deeper into the fundamentals of wholesale real estate and its key components. To begin, wholesale real estate is a unique investment strategy where investors act as intermediaries in real estate transactions. Unlike traditional real estate deals where buyers purchase properties directly from sellers, wholesale transactions involve wholesalers who secure properties at a discount and then sell them to buyers for a profit. In the wholesale real estate process, wholesalers play a crucial role in identifying and negotiating deals with motivated sellers who are looking to sell their properties quickly. These wholesalers then connect these sellers with buyers who are seeking discounted properties for investment purposes. Buyers benefit from wholesale deals by acquiring properties below market value, while sellers can offload their properties swiftly without the hassle of listing them on the market. One key aspect of wholesale real estate is the importance of finding motivated sellers and distressed properties. Motivated sellers are individuals who need to sell their properties urgently, often due to financial difficulties or other personal reasons. Distressed properties, on the other hand, are properties in poor condition or facing foreclosure, making them prime targets for wholesale deals. By focusing on these types of properties, investors can capitalize on lucrative opportunities in the wholesale real estate market. Finding profitable wholesale deals. Are you ready to uncover the secrets to finding and securing profitable wholesale real estate deals? In this section, we'll explore effective strategies that can help you identify hidden gems and maximize your returns in the wholesale market. One key strategy for finding profitable wholesale deals is to explore methods for locating off-market properties and hidden gems. Off-market properties are properties that are not listed on the traditional real estate market, making them less competitive and potentially more lucrative for investors. By networking with real estate agents, attending local auctions, and leveraging online platforms, you can uncover these hidden opportunities and secure deals before they hit the market. When evaluating a property's potential profitability in wholesale transactions, it's essential to understand the criteria that can impact its value. Factors such as location, condition, market trends, and potential renovation costs all play a crucial role in determining whether a property is a worthwhile investment. By conducting thorough due diligence and analyzing these factors, you can make informed decisions and maximize your profits in wholesale deals. In addition to identifying profitable properties, mastering negotiation tactics and building relationships with key players in the industry are essential for success in wholesale real estate. By honing your negotiation skills, establishing trust with sellers and buyers, and cultivating a strong network of industry contacts, you can position yourself as a savvy investor and secure profitable deals with confidence. Contracting and closing deals. Ready to take your wholesale real estate game to the next level? In this section, we'll delve into the art of drafting contracts and successfully closing wholesale deals, ensuring a seamless and profitable transaction process. To start, let's review the essential components of a wholesale real estate contract and the legal considerations you need to keep in mind. A wholesale contract typically includes details such as the property address, purchase price, earnest money deposit, closing date, and any contingencies that need to be met before the deal can be finalized. It's crucial to ensure that your contract is legally sound and protects your interests as both a wholesaler and an investor. Once the contract is in place, the next step is finalizing the wholesale deal and navigating the closing process. This involves coordinating with all parties involved, including sellers, buyers, title companies, and attorneys, to ensure a smooth and timely closing. By staying organized, communicating effectively, and addressing any potential issues proactively, you can streamline the closing process and secure your profits without delays. To mitigate risks and maximize profits in wholesale transactions, consider implementing strategies such as conducting thorough property inspections, securing proper financing, and staying informed about market trends. By staying vigilant and proactive throughout the contracting and closing process, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your investment goals in the competitive world of wholesale real estate. Marketing and selling wholesale properties. Are you ready to elevate your wholesale real estate game by mastering the art of marketing and selling properties for optimal returns? In this section, we'll explore strategies to effectively market and sell wholesale properties, attracting potential buyers and maximizing your profits in the process. One key aspect of successfully selling wholesale properties is implementing effective marketing techniques to attract potential buyers and investors. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing channels, such as social media, real estate websites, networking events, and targeted advertising, to reach a wide audience of interested parties. By showcasing the unique features and potential of your properties, you can generate interest and drive demand for your wholesale deals. Creating compelling listings is essential for capturing the attention of buyers and highlighting the value of the property. Include high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and key selling points to showcase the property's potential and attract serious inquiries. By presenting your properties in the best possible light, you can increase interest and secure profitable deals. When it comes to pricing strategies and negotiation skills for selling wholesale properties, it's important to strike a balance between maximizing profits and closing deals efficiently. Conduct market research, analyze comparable sales, and consider factors such as property condition and location when setting prices. Additionally, hone your negotiation skills to navigate offers, counter-offers, and closing terms effectively, ensuring a successful transaction that benefits all parties involved. By mastering these marketing and selling strategies, you can position yourself as a savvy wholesaler and achieve optimal returns on your investment properties. Scaling your wholesale real estate business. Ready to take your wholesale real estate business to new heights and achieve long-term success? In this section, we'll explore methods for scaling your operations, expanding your reach, and building a sustainable business model in the competitive world of real estate investing. One key strategy for scaling your wholesale real estate business is to expand your network and reach within the market. Network with other investors, real estate professionals, and industry experts to build valuable connections and access new opportunities. By attending networking events, joining real estate groups, and leveraging online platforms, you can broaden your reach and tap into a wider pool of potential deals and partnerships. To ensure efficiency and scalability in your business, it's essential to systemize processes and leverage technology to streamline operations. Implement tools and software solutions that can automate tasks, track leads, manage transactions, and analyze data effectively. By optimizing your workflows and embracing technology, you can save time, reduce errors, and focus on growing your business strategically. Building a sustainable business model is crucial for long-term success in wholesale real estate. Stay adaptable and responsive to market trends, economic changes, and industry shifts to remain competitive and profitable. Continuously evaluate your strategies, refine your processes, and seek opportunities for growth and innovation. By staying agile and proactive, you can position your wholesale real estate business for sustainable growth and success in the dynamic real estate market. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing our step-by-step guide to using wholesale real estate as a powerful investment strategy. Let's recap the key points covered and empower you to take action towards achieving success in the real estate market. Throughout this guide, we've explored the benefits of wholesale real estate investing, from accessing discounted properties to building a diverse portfolio at a lower cost. By leveraging wholesale transactions, you have the potential to secure lucrative deals, generate quick profits, and expand your investment opportunities in the dynamic real estate market. Now is the time to put your knowledge into action and start implementing the strategies you've learned. Take the initiative to network, research properties, negotiate deals, and scale your business to new heights. Remember, success in wholesale real estate requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to market trends. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. See you next time on Realty Rookies, where your real estate adventure begins.